Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with
All-Star Edition, Lane Keep Assist with Lane Departure Warning,
Forward Collision Alert,
Power Front Windows with Driver Express Up and Down, IntelliBeam with Automatic High Beam On and Off, Keyless Open and Start, Power Front Windows with Passenger Express Down, Wireless Phone Projection,
120 volt instrument panel power outlet, power rear windows with express down, and has less than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.